fishing. Just where we'll point that boat, nobody knows. Well, we don't know if it's gonna be feast or famine. So sit your ass back and enjoy the Big John Show. Let it go! Watch that stump over there.
So lifers, we can get out here, do a little fishing today. Somewhere hadn't been in a minute. Try and get everything ready. It's right before, it's daybreak. Gonna get hot today. Supposed to be close to 100. It's every day this winter. This summer. I'm about over it. Wanted to go fishing, so here we are. Hadn't been in a kayak in a cool minute. We're finna go. Hope I don't get too hot. Probably going to. I done had one little mini heat stroke this summer. Let's have another one. We can get out here and try them big baits I've been showing y'all. And I brought another option. We'll probably tie on here in a little bit. So I'm gonna catch some fish anyway, or try. Alright, I'll bring you back when we get in the water. Been a day or two since I got in this sun gun. Let's see how this goes. Just like riding a bike. Just like riding a bike. Just hop in and do it. Bass Mafia. Y'all done seen it. Let's see if we can cast it. Well, that one's got some good movement to it. Big bite baits. Line through. That's on standard bass tackle. Like a 7/6. Normal reel. Try and keep it out of the grass. Not reel too fast, ain't working real good. But you can definitely, you're not gonna see it as good. It's got good action. Runs good, straight. Like I say, that's just a normal reel and rod. Everybody thinks you gotta have these big baits on, big rods, and this one ain't what you call huge. Probably even the Bass Mafia. You can put on a regular one. small draw on a regular rod and reel. Oh my goodness. That's got some good action. I'm running over top of brush piles right now. It's such a slow sink, it doesn't matter, it won't get in them. Try to draw a fish up top. And I'm throwing it on a 7.3 rod. I do have braid on it. Nothing special. Oh, he's barely hooked, y'all. He's barely hooked. Alright, y'all. That's right there is what them swim baits will do for you. This fish is beat up, ugly. But he wanted that. I missed one on it a while ago. It's gorged though. He's eating shad. Look at it. Ooh-wee. Summertime, I'm happy with one like that. Oh, I hope this video turns out. Oh, life is... I'm gonna pre-record the ending of the video. Like I say, that's a small draw. Throwing it on standard fishing gear. I always get, well, I don't have the equipment to throw them baits. Well, you got it now. Alright, if y'all made it this far in this cringy little video, like, share, subscribe. We're gone. I'm having camera troubles, so you may not see a catch. I'm gonna keep fishing for about another 30 or 40 minutes, and I'm heading back to the boat ramp before it gets hot. It's already pretty warm, but if I catch something, I'll try to get it, at least the fish on video. Alright, like, share, subscribe, and we're gone.